eat
That's
it.
so nasty.
You gotta eat it. You hear it crunching?
I'm gonna puke. Am I gonna eat that?
Yeah, you eat that, you can have that hat.
Oh, that's so nasty.
You better take a big ass shot.
I know.
You have to chew it.
Oh.
No, fuck that, you ain't getting it then.
Chew it, chew it, chew it.
Dude, I might throw up on
You have to chew it 5 times. 5 times you can have it, dude.
It's still moving. Dude, I might throw up if you.
I'm still recording.
What do you think about trash can?
Chew it 5 times. You have to chew it 5 times, you can't drink none. No. No, fuck that.
Bro, I mean, it's fucking creepy. I mean,
It's my fucking hat.
I'm not gonna chew. I'm gonna swallow it.
No.
I'm gonna swallow it.
No.
Alright, cool. I'm swallowing it.
Don't throw up in the car, throw up in the trash.
Let me walk this shit
Don't throw up on that.
I just stopped. Don't throw up, dude. Please don't throw up.
Take a drink if you have to. No, you can't puke it up. You don't get the hat.
That's the biggest fucking trick I've ever seen in my life.
You throw that bitch up?
I throw it up. My eyes.
Look at the camera.
Damn, God.
Are you good now?
Oh, I didn't